Hello students, this is Miss Brown, your biology teacher. I just wanted to send you a quick video to remind you that tomorrow is your Chapter 1 test. Make sure you study the notes that we've taken on the board today. It's a lot, but not a whole lot that you can't handle. Just 30 questions, all multiple choice. Remember, we talked about the scientific method. We talked about Reddy's experiment with spontaneous generation. Which is the thought that living things arise from non-living things. We know that is not true. Make sure you also know that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and it freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. I want you to also remember that a theory is a well-tested hypothesis. So those are just a few things that we had on our study guide for today. And then one other thing. Student Achievement Week will take place on September 26th, which is actually in another month right now. If you're not sure as to what you want to do for your project, you can probably focus on the scientific method, focus on the steps, come up with a question, then a hypothesis, which is a prediction as to how you're going to answer that question, and then develop procedures for your experiment. At the very end, collect your data. Figure out if your data is qualitative or quantitative, and then how are you going to illustrate it, and who are you going to say it to? Who's going to take an interest in the data that you've actually collected? So you can focus on that for a possible project. If you don't want to focus on that, you could probably focus on the inner workings of a microscope. You can also talk about macronutrients, and there's several other things that we'll be learning from now until Student Achievement Week. Nonetheless, I want you to start thinking about it. I want you to stay encouraged and know that you can do it. Okay? I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.